I think we are streaming right now. Hello guys, testing. So I will wait until the streaming started. Okay. Hello guys. So I can streaming again. So we will continue the game to put an snap camera. So I can try to run the game right now. So you can, if you don't watch the pre-stream, the last stream, you can follow me. I will fix my, it's too much. So right now we have PSP. PSP stands for place snap point. So if I move the camera will stay at position 00 right now. So I must add like snap point. Snap point is the point of camera when the player enters the area of the snap point. So for example, I can click it right here, and if I come to the area of the blue line, the camera will follow the blue line, the area of blue line. So for this I can draw right here. So if I step to the here, like this. But okay guys, it's Azan. I will mute right now. I think I will wait until the Azan is done. Hello guys, I'm back right now. So the Azan is done. So I think I will check my mic. Is it working or not? So I can see the video on my phone. Sorry guys, the microphone is too noisy and so I don't know what's happened. Okay, I will try to answer for voice sounds. Hello, is this better guys? There is no people watch me, so I will check it on my phone. I think it's a little bit better. It's okay. My TVS is in the low battery right now, so I cannot use it. So we will continue the development. So right now I cannot move the snap point, the blue rectangle. So I can draw it, but I cannot move it. So it's not good because I can adjust them to match uh, to match the place that I want. So I think I will have some one mode like edit snap point. So let's try to make it happens, to make it work. So I will search in here. Editor mode, place snapshot. Here we place the snapshot. So I will add editor mode. We'll add one more edit snap point. So in browse, this is where we draw the snap point. Okay, I think when we are in the mode snap point, I want to draw like okay, this is the snap point rectangle. So I want to draw like a circle in here, so I can adjust the size and I can draw circle and center to move the position of the snap point. So that's my idea right now. So in here I will check that if the mode is this edit snap point. I will draw some circle, so I will look at the Raylib how to draw circle. This is how to draw circle. Okay, we must provide the center, so the center is the left top corner, so we will draw this first. So its position is X, snap position X, and the Y, the X is in here and the Y is okay. This is and the Y is in here too. Yeah, I just blank, guys. So we can grab directly from the position like this. So we need radius, so you can give them like a egg for the radius. So the color is this blue, I think blue. So we made 4 5. This is the so right now we are going to draw here. So it's not that hard. The X position is the Y position is stay same as the left one, but the X one we must add the X by the width of the rectangle. So we can add this by the size of X. So for this it's same, the X position is same, but the Y position is offset by the height of the rectangle. So I can copy from this, so the X is same but the Y is added by the size of Y or the height. So for this is they both the X and Y is added by the width and the height. So X Y. Okay, I made a mistake, so it must be like this. So this is for the center. Oh, it's wrong, I think, because this is the center. Okay, because we start the position is in the center, not in the left top corner. So this is for center. For the left top corner we can use the rect X, rect.y. So this is for the right top corner. Actually we can use the rect in here for all of this. The rect X we added by some size So this is right. This is for the why this bottom left corner. This is for the bottom right. Okay, right now we will add button, the added button in here. So we'll look at the stream. There is 3 watching me. So, hello guys, how are you today? Do you have a good day? I hope you have very good day. So I can add one option in here, like ESP stands for edit snap point. Can add in here edit snap point. This is for 6. Edit snap point. Okay, I will try to run and look what's results. So I can place this, and if I go to the edit mode, the drawing of the circle is correct, but I think we have bug in this group button, so I will check in here. So it must be 6. Okay, I close it and try to compile it again. Okay, this is working right now. So the next step is to make that we can move the blue circle, so we can adjust the width, the height, or the position of snap point. Okay, so I will try to look at this. Hello guys, this is 5. I don't so I will continue to programming. We must focus on the job. So right now I want to check in if editor, I want to add one in here. This is for placing snap point, so I can copy. You can copy it, and I want to make this for edit snap point. We get the mouse position. I delete it. So in here I want to copy the want to copy this, like draw circle. I want to copy this because this is what we need. We do edit, so we get the rectangle of the snap point, and in here we get the circle. So I want to check for this circle first. Radius is in here. I think Raylib have some function to check if we are inside the circle. So I will. This is the function. We check collision point to circle. So I will create the top left. We check if we are inside the if we inside this, so we can give them word pause. So the word pause is result of mouse position but in the word space. And we give them the top left position and the radius. So if we I think I want to add some state in here. So I want this problem is same as before. We must actually not we can if the mouse is down inside the circle, we can just move it, follow the mouse position. Okay, I think that's right. So but I must have to I must have some variable that save where the mouse is clicked. Like for example, if I click the top left, yeah, I will try to edit, but if the future if it's look weird, I will delete it. But rather than thinking too much about variable, I will try the solution that come into my mind. Hello guys, this is 6 people. Okay, I will save snap point. I say active send left top. We have left top, the right top, the bottom left, or bottom left and the bottom right. So I type it wrong. Right. This will be top left, top right, and the center. And I think I want to have nil if we don't offer anything. So we'll offer snap point. So I have to save the hot, I think not the hot but active snap point. Okay, for this first thing first, I will reset the state. Okay, first snap point is nil. Actives. Yeah, like hello. It's nil. So so if the mouse is inside here, we can like this. How far the snap point is top left. Okay, we have top left, we have top right. We can check this again. This is for top right. So we can continue to the, this is for bottom right. Search. We can check it. In the bottom right, this must be the top right, not the top left. This is for the bottom left. This is for the bottom left, so I can check this. So this is top right, bottom right, and bottom left. The for the center is same, like we have snap position, and we can check it. So like this. If we hover something, if we hover something, if we like this, if the hovered snap point not nil, it means we hover something, I mean the top left or top right or bottom left, bottom right, center, and we check that we are click the left mouse button. So we can check this mouse button, press. It's not pressed, I think. It's more like down. Is the mouse button is down on the left. Then we activate the snap point. Active snap point is the hover right now, the hovered one. So in this state we can say if we have active snap point, if we have snap point, we can do that's the point, the left point here must follow the mouse position. So this is for start process. So I forgot something. We in here we must we must have this, because we look at the snap point that we have. So if we have valid one and they hovered, like this. If they hover, so I think I didn't want this. We will break in here. So maybe in the loop we check. We can check this. So if the active one is the left top, the snap point of I can look. Okay, camera. The camera position is will be I think I will go for the center first because center is most easy one. Okay, like this. So I can try to compile it and see the top right. Okay, the top right is wrong. What did we do? So it must be .nil. Okay, I will try to run it. I will create the snap point and actually it doesn't what? So I think I have the wrong. I will check that this is for the left, top left. Okay, this is top right, bottom right. This is for so this bottom right. Okay, so it's not true. This is for bottom left. And this is for the bottom right. Bottom right. Okay, and this is for the center. Center is so it's not correct. This is for the center. Okay, so I can try to compile it again and see what's the result. So I can place it in here and I can go to edit. I think it's working right now. I can move it but I didn't think that it's reliable because when I move fast, they will not follow me. So what can I do is so in here actually I can this for preset have one viewer right now. So I am a little confused right now, guys. So we have this, the checking if it's work. So I will try to solve problem. I click on this. I hover first thing first. I hover this. So I think if we hover something, we can break for the loop. So that's we are going to do, because we cannot hover to same thing at the same time. So we'll break. And this is not the place when we are check. We must check it in outside, not in the loop. So if we have something that we are hover right now, okay, but this is checking every time. So okay, this is checking every time. So actually I can check if I didn't have active one, and like this. Like this, I will check if we didn't have snap point yet, and we hover something and we press the left button. The active one is going to be the hover snap point. So in the next frame we are not getting this if, because right now we have active one. So if we have active one, we change the snap point position by the mouse position, and in this part we can check the check the release. If we release the left mouse button, we can reset it to nil and declare, oh, this is not right. So I must save the index of snap point. Editor. I will say that is it snap point index. Yeah, we can check. Active snap point index, I think. So if we didn't have active snap point, we can do checking, but if we already have, we not check anything. Okay, I will delete it. And I can check if of snap point. If they not nil, and then I will break and assign the index is from to this. Okay, and then in here I want to get the snap point based on the snap point index that active. So I think that's it. Is mouse button release it. Okay, I will try to run it. So I can place something in here. Okay, this is it is so much better right now. So and when I release the button, it's okay. But actually I don't know what is this. So I think okay, this is better, I think. So for the other, for the live record, I can try to edit. So in here, if this is same pattern, I click the top left, then something that has to, we can calculate the new position, and the size. I think the position is not changing, but the size is changing. So actually, so because we have the position is always in center, I think when we change the, it's getting ambiguous right now. So for example, if we something like this, and we drag this to move left, and the expectation is, the result of expectation is goes like this, but in the system right now the position is always on center, so it will move goes like this. So the position will be changed based on the movement of the corner. So I will check my stream. Is it okay? I think it's okay now. And I think I will not change to my TVS because it's very hard, it's not comfortable to use this headset. So never mind guys, I will use this microphone rather than use my DVS. So I think we can continue now to the main show. So okay, I think what I want to do is we can change this, we can move the position by the amount of so it's okay. I will try to draw it. So if we have rectangle and I move it to the left, position is goes to the left too, but the right is not. So the amount of this is same as this. Yeah, it's same. So actually we can we must calculate it by the okay. I in here we have position and the size. Position is this and the size is this. So we can get to this, but to transform it to this, actually we have I can try the we can try to get the rectangle. So we are have rectangle right now, and I want to change this position. I want to change that the rect that x is must follow the rect x, the rect y is must follow the rect y. So from okay, I think I got it. So from this position we can calculate the position and the size. So the new size, I think the size new size the new size is going to be the y, sorry, the x first. It's going to be the, so we must go in the right corner in here. We must go into here. So we we add the position. This is the alt position by the size, by the width, the alt width, like this. So we can get the right corner, and we can subtract it by the word post.x. So this is the new size. For the y-axis, it's same. We are going to size position y, add by size of y. We subtract. This is the y, so we add fine here, and we subtract this by the current position of this. This is the new size and the new position. It's going to be half of the width and height. Yeah. So there will be new size.x, new size.y times 0.5. So I will delete this because it's not important. So then snap point dot position, this new position, and snap point, the size is the new size. I think it's a correct, so we can try. We must try. If we don't try, we don't know, so we must try. Okay, so right now I'm at the edit. It's a bad, so make one, so it's actually not correct right now, guys. So we'll try to points top left. The new size, position x, size.x minus what x. Looks correct to me. The new position, it's not true. The new position will go post.x, post.y. Yeah, the word post is in here, so we already have the width and height. So if the position is always on center, we add the top left position by the half of the width and half the height. So if this is, I think, correct, so I can try to compile it again and try to run it again. Okay, I place this, then I can edit. So it's not correct either. Okay, this is the original position, and snap point is top left. if we if we don't change this is will be value of this. It's look correct to me. This is correct to me too. Okay. I can try to run again and see what's happened. So if I click it, it will be going to bigger, too much bigger. The new position is the word pause. X and Y at the half of size. So size looks correct to me. So I can try to not change the position at first to see what's happened. So it goes bigger when I click it, and I didn't move my mouse. Why it's going bigger? Why it's going bigger? So yeah, we'll try. So the mouse position is in here. Snap pause. Okay. Snap position is in the center. They are not in here. So what we must so it's the new size. Okay, I think we must go to in here, and we add this by half, not by full size. So I think we must going to add it by half of the size. Okay, it's a correct one. This is the calculate new size. So we try again and see what's happened. Okay, this is correct. Like now it's correct. So but if you look the position, actually no, this is in center. So I think I will change the position right now. We'll uncomment this and try to run it. Can place. Okay, this looks good to me, so I can change it whatever I want. So yeah. So right now I can add for the top right. The top right is snap position, so the size is we in for this, so the size of top right is here. For the X, the size is from what is, but top right. So if I try to move up, I will draw it so I can get more clear understanding. Let's say this is the right one. So if I try to move it up, this is the wall position. I must, the size is the bottom right in here, subtract by the wall position. So the bottom is in here. Okay, that's correct to me. Can subtract. Okay, for the X position is, if I move it to right, this is the wall position, and I must go to the left in here, so it's not correct. I must go to the left and subtract this. The new position is same, the calculation. This is for the top right, so I can try it first. The top right, oh, it's not correct. Look. Oh. Ooh. This is like, so I think we have something that's wrong. We go to the left, and no, I think it's like so. So what's wrong is the X is going to the right, so the what position is to the right, in the right, so we must subtract from the what position, not, so the what position is up like this. Okay, so we can try to run it again. So if I try to make it, I can, it's actually I don't know why it's happened. So I can check this for the top right. The top right is okay. This is looks correct to me. We add the X by this, but if I change the, so so it's look correct to me for the y position, but for the x I didn't think it's correct, so I will check this. So the new size of x is going to be okay. I will comment the position right now. Maybe it's the problem, the new position. I will comment this. Okay, I will stop it. So I can try to okay, this is looks correct to me for the size. So okay, for the position we must change the calculation. So the word pause right now is in the right corner. So if we want to get the center, so like in the center, we must go to the left by half of width and go to the bottom by half of height, because the y is going down, is positive going down. We add in this and we subtract from this, because the x is negative to the left and positive to the right. So for x I will subtract this, and for the y it's same, we add. Okay, I will try to compare. So okay, this is correct to me. Okay, we can change the placement. Actually, I don't know what is this, so I will ignore right now. So I can draw more in here. Can edit it to be like this. Okay, if I turn off and this looks looks more engaging to me rather than the before. Okay, but I will continue the editor, so we can add for the bottom right and for the bottom left. So for the bottom right, in here we subtract, so I will draw bottom right. This is the mouse position or the word pause that we have. So for getting the size we must subtract both of the x and y. So okay, we subtract this. For the y is same, this is the center, we going to be to the up, to the left we minus, and we going to be to the left for the x coordinate too. So for the position is it's very simple. So if we mouse in here, we subtract both the x and y, so like this, subtract x and y. So we subtract okay. And for the bottom left is in here. This is the mouse position. So for getting the x, so for getting the x is we subtract the position that we have before. So yeah, and for the y, if we going down, we subtract it from the what position first. So we subtract from the what position by the amount of the alt y. So we subtract y by the snap position or the last position. So for the new position, the center, for the x is same, we add that by half of it. Okay, we add by half of the width, but for y we subtract it by half of the width. Okay, like this. Okay, try to test the right. It's correct to me. For the bottom left is not correct, so I will check it. This is for bottom left. So to get the egg position is in here. I subtract it from this. So for the bottom left, the x, we must go to in here first. So we subtract the x position by the half of size. This is correct. And the y position is in here. So we subtract. This is correct. For the y position, we subtract from the word. Yeah, it's correct, from the word to this. It's minus because we going up. Okay, for the position I will check too. For the x, for the x is half of size to the right, so we add. For the y is to up, it's going up, so it will subtract. So I think it's correct right now. It's not correct right now. It's not correct yet, so this is for bottom left. I will check the hover thing. Bottom left, the x is same, but the y is added by this looks correct to me for this. But what's the problem? I think I will comment this, the size, the position change. It's hard to have streaming and thinking about the problem at the same time, so I hope I get better. I get better soon. So it's not correct for the Y. It doesn't look correct to me. For the Y is correct, but for the X it's not correct. So for the X we have snap position X, we subtract it by size. I think that's correct. So the snap position is in the center, and we must go to left, so we'll subtract by the half of size in here, half of size, so we get this position. And the world position is in the here, so we subtract it by the world position dot x. Actually, I don't know why it's added. So okay, sorry guys, actually it's a wrong, so we are going to be the right by half to calculate the full size. If we going to the left, they will be calculating the size at the left of the rectangle, and the difference is so small. Why so we must add this. So it's correct right now. I don't know, it's such a thing when you try to explain something and to solve the problem. So I'm very apologize guys. So right now I want to update the position too. I can try to run again. It's correct or not, we will see the result. So it's correct to me right now. So I can expand it so to save whatever I want. So like this, and I can add I don't know what is this. So I can actually I can try to debug it. So okay, can try to debug in here and look the snap point variable. So I think we have some garbage in here, so that this is the 2, this is for index 1 and index 3. This is garbage. I think it's because we are clicking in here. We are clicking and creating new so we can check if we can draw something. If we cannot change, so cannot draw, we will not execute the place snap point logic. So I will disable the debug. Okay, so I think it's gone right now. I can design the snap point. So I think it's good to me right now. So maybe next time I will add for the delete function. Actually this is the same as the placement. It's the same thing, we can use the same logic. For example, if I click with the left button, it will move, but if I want to delete it, I can click it with the right mouse button. So it's same. Nothing special, I think. So it's better right now, because if the camera is stable, we didn't have problem like some shaking, little shaking. So I think it's for my stream right now. I so much thank you for you guys if you watching this stream. So I hope you have a nice day. Thank you for coming to my stream, and see you next time.